Hey Ben, do you wanna... Wake up!
Huh? Ah, my skin, it burns.
Oh, that looks bad, but don't worry, I got you. All you need for a sunburn is aloe vera and a silicone mold. Carefully cut it open. Now put it into the mold. Now that it's full, we can freeze it. Here, Ben.
I hope you're right, Lily.
Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe pain and moisturize the skin. Apply it twice a day for 3 days and your sunburn will be gone. How do you feel, Ben?
My skin's all better now. Thanks, Lily.
Wanna go play ball with me and Max?
Yeah.
Come on. Floaties are so relaxing, right, Jude? Hello, help here. Ugh, I can't use my floaty like this.
Pool noodle fight!
Wait!
Hey!
I'll make a floaty using these pool noodles and some string. Put the string through the pool noodle. Now put the end through the other noodle. And tie off the ends. Here, try this, June. Thanks, Lily, you're a genius. No problem, June. I love sitting by the pool.
Ooh, this looks perfect! Cannonball!
Who did that?
Oops, sorry, Lily. Oh, come on, Lily.
Ben is so annoying. Huh? I'm gonna get Ben so good. Now's my chance. Hey Ben, do you want to see a trick?
Sure.
Hold my floaty. I'm gonna jump through this hoop.
Are you sure you could do that?
Yeah, just watch.
Okay.
Bring it up higher, more to the side. Perfect.
Okay, go. Whoa! I'll get you next time, Lily. Hey, Max, think fast.
Yay!
Oh, sorry, I think I need a break.
Max, are you okay?
Oh, what are we gonna do?
Don't worry, I know heat stroke first aid. First, let's get into the shade. Next, we need a towel. Next, elevate his feet. Apply damp cloths to help him cool faster. And now use a towel to fan him.
Thanks, guys. No problem.
Come on, let's get into the hospital. I'm ready for the pool.
Lily, are you okay?
Oh, my flip-flop broke.
Don't worry, Lily. I know what to do.
Hey, let's go.
Aha! To fix your flip-flop, all we need is a rubber band. First, wrap the rubber band around the toe piece. Then push it through and hook it on again. There we go. Here, Lily, give it a try.
Okay. Wow, Max, it really worked. Thank you.
No problem. Let me help you set up.
Thanks. Ooh, this is a good angle.
I got it.
Oh, my phone! No, my phone doesn't work anymore! To keep my phone dry, all I need is a Ziploc bag. I'll just put my phone into the bag and zip it up.
I got it. Oops, sorry, Lily.
Don't worry, Ben. It still works. See?
Whew. You need to be more careful, Lily.
Yeah. Boom!
Jude!
Haha, got you again.
Jude, you'll pay for this! Jude's asleep. This is the perfect time to prank Jude. I just need some coins. I'll put the coins on her arms. Now we wait.
Huh? My arms! What's going on?
Maybe this time you won't sneak up on me anymore.
Oh, get back here!
Hey, June, can I have some sunscreen?
Sure.
Thanks.
Wait, Max!
I'm ready. What are you waiting for? Let's go.
Smile for the camera, Max.
Wait, no, don't.
I can't wait to post this.
Oh, no.
See you later.
I have an idea, Max. All we need is a spray bottle and some water. Now partially fill the spray bottle. Next, we need the sunscreen. Add a little bit of the sunscreen and then close the lid. And now we shake it up. Here you go, Max.
Okay.
The water helps get a thin and even application.
Oh, much better. Thanks, June.
No problem. Want to go swimming?
Yeah.
Lily! Lily!
Over here, Ben!
Our ride's here. Come on, let's go. We have 5 minutes.
I just need to deflate this. Oh, how come the air won't come out? Sorry, Ben, I can't deflate the floaty.
Here, Lily, try using this.
A paper clip, what's that supposed to do?
Trust me, Lily. Watch and learn. The paper clip will leave the hole open to let the air out.
Wow, Ben, you're a genius.
Thanks, but let's go.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, it's so hot. Oh, soda. Ah, it's hot.
Max, what's wrong?
The soda's too hot. I burned my tongue.
Don't worry, Max. I know what to do.
You do?
Here, take an ice cube.
What am I supposed to do with an ice cube?
Put it over your tongue.
Okay.
The ice will soothe the pain for the burn. Now let's cool the soda. We just need ice and a bowl. Pour the ice into the bowl and add the soda in the middle. The ice around the can will help it cool down faster.
Okay, but how am I supposed to drink out of this?
Here, take a straw.
Thanks, June. This is so much better.
No problem. Now help me put these in the cooler.
Okay.
Max, hurry up.
Come on, we want to get in the pool.
Hold on, let's unpack first.
Floaty.
Here it is.
Where's the pump? Let me see. Where is it? I thought you said you brought everything.
Don't worry, Lily. I can still do this.
Max,
I just need to catch my breath.
we don't have all day.
Wait. We can use these to inflate the floaty. Put the bottle lid into the floaty, then put the air dryer into the bottle lid. Make sure it's on the cool setting. There it goes.
Wow, it's working.
Here you go, Lily.
Thanks, Ben, it's good.
No problem.
Ben, can you help me with this?
Yeah.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe.
And hit the bell button. Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.